So we are here on the discussion of COMATE related to data handling, and on which I am going to discuss question number first. Let me tell you, and then we will discuss the misconception. Question number one is telling here the probability of events lie between -1 to 1, 0 to 1, -1 and 0, and 0 and infinite. So if you will be remembering, I taught you that the probability lies between 0 to 1 always. Now for the second question, you can see here it is telling the following graph shows the maize production figures in lakh of tons in a state for 5 years. The figures are only approximations. Answer the following question based on the graph. So if you will see the graph, it is showing here the years, and another side it is telling here the production in lakh. Okay, lakhs of tons. So the first question is telling here the total production of maize in lakhs of tons in 5 years is. First year it is telling you 60 lakhs tons. Then second year I think it's 40. Then third year it is telling you 50. Fourth wala ja raha hai 80, and the fifth one is going till 85. So when you will add all total, what answer will you get it? I think the answer would be 315 lakhs of tons will be the maize production for all the years altogether. 315. So this question is telling here so in this question it is telling that second year the production was 40 lakhs of ton. Okay. Then third year it is telling it is 50 lakhs of tons. Okay. So now it is telling what is the increase percent on third year. ठीक है. तो सबसे पहले तो you can see ये 40 है ये 50 है, दोनों के बीच में बढ़ा कितना? 50 बढ़ा. ठीक है. Then it is telling, sorry, I was telling here 40 tha and 50 tha. What is the difference between that? 50 minus 40. It will give you 10 lakhs of ton. 10 is the difference of both the production. So now it is telling increase percent. Increase percent कैसे निकालते हैं बेटा? What is the difference? What is the increase? So that the increase value is 10. Then it is asking increase percent for the third year. So third year कितना production है? 50. So 10 upon 50. Then into, you are talking about percentage. So percentage means into 100. So now 50 ones are 50, 50 twos are 100, 10 twos are 20. The answer would be 20% for this question. ठीक है? Yes. Question number third हम लोग कर चुके हैं. Question number fourth में it is telling here in MCQ that if in fifth year the production was suppose 80 lakh and बोल रहा है sixth year में if the production was 20% more than fifth year, 20% more, तो पहले 20% 80 lakh का निकालेंगे. तो 20% of 80 lakh. ठीक है. So it will be 20 मतलब 20% मतलब 20 upon 100 of means multiply 80 will be 80. This zero will get cancelled. This zero will get cancelled. 8 2 ja 16. Okay. Now it is telling कि it 6th year में इससे 20% और ज्यादा, मतलब 80 तो है ही, 80 तो रहेगा ही, प्लस ये 16 और ज्यादा मिला करके आंसर वुड बी 96. ठीक है. द प्रोडक्शन ऑफ 6th year will be 96. 80 plus 20% more, so it will be 80 plus 16, which will give us 96 lakhs of ton. I hope it is clear now. Now question is telling fifth one, in which 2 consecutive years the percentage change in the production is the least. According to me, the last question will have 4th and 5th. ठीक है. Question number 2 says what is the name for the observation which occurs most frequently. सबसे ज्यादा बार जो ऑब्जर्वेशन रिपीट होता है उसे हम क्या बोलते हैं? प्लीज टेल मी द आंसर. We have done it mean, median, mode. Mean and median के we have done it the process, and mode is the value which repeats most frequently, जो सबसे ज्यादा बार आती है. So the answer will be mode in this case. ठीक है, mode is the name of the observation which occurs most frequently. See, in question number third, the marks obtained by Rahul. Rahul not of our class. Rahul is of Comet वाली class का बच्चा. ठीक है. So Rahul marks are given here for his annual examination, and you have to represent these marks by graph. ठीक है, by bar graph. तो बार ग्राफ कैसे प्लॉट किया जाता है, कैसे रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं, दिस इज ऑलरेडी टोल्ड बाय मी. Do you need any explanation in it, or will you do that? Number 4. So question number 4 is telling what is the probability of choosing even numbers between 2 to 20. Now it is telling you have to choose a random number which should be an even number, and the number should be between 2 to 20. Now listen the word between. बिटवीन जब भी हम बात करते हैं बेटा, किसी सीरीज को हम लिखते हैं और हम बात कर रहे हैं बिटवीन वाले नंबर की, तो उसमें बेटा फर्स्ट वाला और लास्ट वाला नंबर इंक्लूड नहीं होता है. लाइक इसमें बोल रहा है 2 एंड 2 से 20 के बीच में, मतलब ना 2 आएगा और ना 20 आएगा. वी विल ओनली टॉक अबाउट 3 से शुरू होगा और 19 तक जाएगा. ठीक है, तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल राइट इट डाउन ऑल द नंबर्स कमिंग बिटवीन 2 to 20. So this question is telling here that you want the numbers between 2 to 20. So here it will be 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 and 19. Because it is telling between 2 to 20, so we will not take 2, we will not take 20. Now here in the question number 4, it wants even number. So let us circle even number, or let us underline even number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. There are total 8 even numbers out of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 and 17. So total numbers are 17 here. So that is why the answer would be 8 upon 17. I hope it is clear to everyone. Now the next question telling here that from a set of English alphabet, what is the probability of choosing a vowel? Now you are knowing सबसे पहले तो total alphabets कितने होते हैं बेटा? Total alphabets are 26. ठीक है? So here I have written here total alphabets are 26. Now question is telling you are choosing a vowel. So you want the probability of getting a vowel, and you are knowing out of all the alphabets we have only 5 vowels out of 26. So probability will be 5 upon 26. और अगर इसी क्वेश्चन को अगर हम टर्न कर दें और बोले कि मुझे वॉवल नहीं चाहिए, then tell me the probability. So you are knowing अगर वॉवल नहीं चाहिए, it means we want consonant, and consonants are total 21. So 21 upon 26. Now you must be knowing हम इन दोनों को ऐड करें, because अल्फाबेट्स में या तो वॉवल होंगे या तो कॉन्सोनेंट होंगे, और अगर आप इन दोनों को ऐड करते हो, you will get it 26 upon 26, that is equal to 1. ठीक है, so remember vowel के लिए आंसर will be 5 upon 26, and consonant के लिए आंसर will be 21 upon 26. Now this is done. Now the next question number 6 is telling here. Question number 6 is telling what is the probability of drawing a jack card from a deck of 52 cards. ठीक है, now it is telling drawing a jack card. अब यहाँ पर इसने ये नहीं बताया कि किसका jack. We have 4 jacks, है ना? We have total 4 jack card. ठीक है, it is not telling here that which it's a spade का jack card, it's a diamond का jack card, or it's a heart का jack card. It is not told. So remember, we have total 4 jack cards. So if you are taking the probability here, it will be total 4 jack cards out of 52 cards. Total cards कितने होते हैं? 52. So 4 upon 52. जब आप solve करोगे तो 4 ones are 4 and here it will be 13. So the answer will become 1 upon 13 in this case. Correct. So in question number 7, it is telling here you have to find it out the mean of first 5 odd numbers. So let us write first 5 odd numbers. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 17, 19, 21, 23, 25. Let's see total 15 are there or not. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 13 हुआ है अभी, है ना? Now 15. ठीक है? Now total 15 odd numbers we have written. Now we want mean. So mean is sum of observation upon total number of observation. Total number of observation. तो sum of observation में ये पूरा का पूरा एडिशन हम लोग ले लेंगे, जितना भी टोटल किया है पूरा का पूरा सम आएगा अपॉन टोटल नंबर ऑफ ऑब्जर्वेशन. कितने नंबर लिए गए टोटल? ये 15. So we will take the sum divided by 15. Let me जब आप इसका सम लोगे तो whatever the answer will be there, I think 225 आएगा when you will add it. ठीक है, 225 will come and 225 divided by 15, it will be 15 only. ठीक है, so here the answer will be 15. Now the answer question is telling that is the mean also odd? So yes, the mean is also odd. The next question, which is value based, which is telling here that Govind has got rupees 24,000 as puja bonus. He donated rupees 5,000 to the temple. He gave rupees 12,000 to his wife, 2,000 to his servant, and gave rest of amount to his daughter. What is the probability of wife share, servant share, and daughter share? Which value is depicted by Govind from the way he distributed the amount? सबसे पहले तो आप मुझे खुद से सॉल्व करके बताइए what amount he gave to the daughter. Read the question properly and I want reply from every one of you. करिएगा, ठीक है? So now you can see in value based question, Govind has taken the money 24,000 as the puja bonus, जिसमें से उसने टेम्पल को दिया 5,000, वाइफ को दिया 12, तो 12 5 मिलाकर के हो गया 17, सर्वेंट को दिया 2,000, तो 17 और 2 मिलाकर के हो गया 19, and total was 24. So 24 minus 19, which will give us 5,000 money, which was given to the daughter. Now the question is telling what is the probability of wife का share, servant का share and daughter का share. तो सबसे पहले हम क्या करते हैं, यहाँ पे वाइफ के लिए चाहिए तो मैं लिख रही हूँ PW. उसके बाद चाहिए इनको सर्वेंट का शेयर, तो आई एम राइटिंग PS. एंड द लास्ट वन इज नॉट रिटन हियर, डॉटर का शेयर, तो आई एम राइटिंग हियर D. आप इसमें से अगर डायरेक्ट E लिखना चाहें तो भी चलेगा, ठीक है, E लिखना चाहें तो भी चलेगा, बट रिमेंबर as the specified name is written here, so that is why I am writing here W, then here writing S, यहाँ पे लिखा मैंने D. तो वाइफ का शेयर था मेरे पास, सिंपली इट वाज 12,000 अपॉन टोटल मनी वाज गिवन 24,000. so 3030 will get cancelled, 12 upon 24 मतलब 1/2. ठीक है, now servant का शेयर, servant was given 2,000 rupees out of 24,000. 3030 will get cancelled, 2 upon 24, which will give us 1/12. Last but not the least, daughter का शेयर, daughter का शेयर था 5,000 out of 24,000. Same process, 3030 will get cancelled, 5 upon 24 will remain here. Now you can see गोविंद को 24,000 बोनस मिला था, जिसको उसने अकेले नहीं रखा, उसने सबको शेयर दिया, और साथ ही साथ में उसने टेम्पल को भी डोनेट किया, प्लस अपने सर्वेंट को, जो कि उसकी फैमिली का एक हिस्सा था, जो उसके घर पे काम करता था, उसको भी दिया. So what value do you see in this case? Please reply in the chat box.